Hi, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to do a review of boAt Stone Mini 1400 in army green.
Let's unbox it first.
Yes, let's unbox it now. Unboxing in 3, 2 and 1. We have unboxed it right now, and if you want to buy this product, I'll put the links in the description so you can check it out on Amazon.in. The Bluetooth speaker itself, which is pretty tiny, and I kind of like it. There are some paperwork with Chennai Super King branding, there's a warranty card, and there's a boAt operational menu, and we have USB Type-C charger cable, but without the charging head. You have to use your own charging head. And of course an aux cable where you can connect it with your conventional computers which do not have Bluetooth, or to your any aux sound systems. Let's turn it on. It is just a 1-second press.
Power on. You've plugged into Nirvana.
Okay.
Your device is ready to pair.
Now let's pair it. It shows Stone 1400 Mini. So let's click on it. Yeah, it says 1400 Stone Mini is connected. Let's try to play some music now. Of course, it is going to be copyright-free music from NCS. For a price and the speaker like this, I like the sound effect, and it's very crisp and clear. There's outdoor and indoor modes too. The boAt Stone 1400 is very well built, though it is plastic, but it is very well built. If you notice, speaker grills are metal. boAt's logo is golden, but it's plastic, but this is metal. On top, you'll find the on button, volume down, volume up, and the play button, and here is a mic. Back side of the display, you have this little door where you can remove it. There's a USB port, there's the aux in, and there's USB Type-C port as well. This is water resistant to certain extent. I don't recommend putting in the pool or dipping in the water. Army green is pretty nice touch. boAt Stone 1400 Mini comes with a battery of 2000 mAh. Manufacturers claim lasts up to 6 hours, but on a practical test it lasts at least for 5 hours. Supports true wireless connectivity, Bluetooth 4.0, IPX5 water resistance. This is just a splash proofing and not an entire waterproof. Dynamic 18-watt powerful sound, quick sound switch between indoor and outdoor modes, and smart memory volume mode. It has dual full range 57mm drivers that produce high quality 18-watt rich sound. Outdoor rugged design with convenient fabric handle. This has two modes. One is outdoor mode and indoor mode. If you double press the play button, it will switch modes and it will announce.
Outdoor mode.
Switching takes a bit of time, probably about 2 to 3 seconds, and let's switch back to the indoor mode.
Indoor mode.
The announcement is pretty nice. I hope you like this short video. I kind of like this product. For the price what I've got it and the build quality, this is an Indian made product and it's a very good product. Some parts of this video you will hear the voice directly from camera, not from my lapel mic, because I've done it intentionally for you to hear the speaker in the ambient conditions. If you like this product, the link is in the description. You can go buy. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and like my videos, comment and share. Till next time, stay happy.